Today we are going to make mango milkshake, tasty and very easy to make. So I have about 1.5 cup of mangoes chopped. I have peeled off the skin and chopped it off very roughly because we are going to put it in the blender. So add chopped mangoes to the blender and make sure they are ripe. So they are ripe enough. And you have to taste the mango, how sweet it is. Depending on that, you're going to add sugar. I've taken 5 almonds, peeled off. I've soaked them in water for about 4 hours and peeled off the skin. And almonds are optional. I've taken sugar. So sugar you can add as per your taste. If the mangoes are sweet, then add a little bit of sugar. I'm adding a little bit of cardamom seed powder. That will give a nice flavor. And some cold milk which has been boiled and chilled. So now if you want a thick creamy consistency, you can add 1 scoop of ice cream. Vanilla ice cream goes well, even mango ice cream goes well with this. So you can reduce the amount of milk and add ice cream. So we are going to blend this for a few seconds and it's ready. So now when you are serving any milkshake or anything, you need to be a little bit creative, and I'm going to add the ingredients which I have in my kitchen, but you don't have to add the same thing. You can add whatever you have, and you know which fruits goes well with mangoes. So I have poured the mango shake. Now I have some strawberries, so I'm going to add some strawberries. If you have any kind of berries, you can just add it. I'd kept some chopped mango pieces aside, so I'm going to add that. When you're having mango milkshake, all this bite-sized fruits and dry fruits will give a nice taste. Adding some raisins, you can also add golden raisins, but I prefer black raisins. Some chopped almonds, you can add pistachios also. And some saffron. So I've added all the healthy ingredients. Now in another glass I'm going to add ice cream and some fruits which I have. So you can add whichever fruits you like. I had kept some chopped mango pieces, and it really looks good and also enhances the taste of mango milkshake. And I'm going to add some strawberries. So you can even add the ice cream in the blender to make it thick or creamy, or you can just add it when you're serving it. So it's ready. It looks yummy and delicious and really looks very tempting. So do try.